single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name's James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video of this 2017 Ford Ranger 3.2 TDCi 200 Wildtrak Auto. It's done 45,000 miles and it's got full service history. Okay, so we've been doing these walk around videos for quite a while now and we find them to be really popular because it means you get to view the vehicle from the safety and comfort of your own home, but as if you were here in person. As I go around the vehicle today, we'll look at all the panels individually, looking for any marks, any scratches or any dents. We'll look at all the wheels and the tyres individually. We'll have a look in the back, have a look inside, look at the functionality in the seats. I'll even tell you what it smells like inside. Once we've done that, we'll pop the bonnet, have a look at the engine, and then finally we'll have a look underneath at the chassis and the spare wheel. Now, once you've watched the video, if you're happy with what you see and you want to buy it, a small deposit will secure it and we can pretty much deliver it anywhere in the world. If you're looking to finance a truck, we'll ask you for a deposit to cover the VAT in most cases. Obviously it's different for different people. An application takes approximately 5 minutes and we can usually get you a decision within about an hour. Okay, so let's start with the bonnet and then we can work our way around from there. Obviously you can see it's got the full wrapped kit and it does look really something special. Right, so the bonnet. Hopefully you can see from that it's in fantastic condition. There's no obvious marks, scratches or dents on it that I can see. And hopefully you agree with that. Okay, so the bumper with the headlights, driver's side headlight, front bumper, that awesome grille, and then onto the passenger side headlight and the front bumper there. No marks or dents that I can see, and you can see that it's also got the front parking sensors as well. Passenger wing is in lovely condition. I really like these. You do see these sometimes where they're like the matte colour. These have been painted to the body colour and they do look absolutely fantastic. Okay, so passenger side front wheel and tyre, wheels in great condition. There is a couple of little bits and marks but nothing serious. It's a BF Goodrich tyre and it's basically new. Windscreen is free from damage. I can't see any cracks or anything on it. I think, look at it, it's a heated screen as well. Okay, so let's work our way down the passenger side and hopefully you can see from that mirror shot there's no obvious marks or dents. It's in actually very good condition. So another quick look, make sure I've not missed anything. There is a little dent here somewhere. Can't actually pick it up there. It is tiny, but it is there. Okay, onto the rear quarter. And again, I can't see any marks or dents. Everything looks really nice and clean. Obviously the truck's 2017. There we go. So it has got AdBlue, which means it is a Euro 6 vehicle, or ULEZ, which means ultra low emission zone compliant. So if you go into any ULEZ zones in London, you know you can get charged. This vehicle should get you underneath that charge. Rear wheel and tyre, wheels in great condition. There's a little scuff there, nothing serious. A little bit less tread on the rears, but obviously it is rear wheel drive predominantly, but it's a matching tyre. The fin's in great condition, as you can see. Onto the rear quarter, the light with the light guard. Again, everything's in nice clean condition. Rear bumper is free from damage. You'll see that there are parking sensors again. A very small mark there, nothing serious. As you can see, there's a tow ball. It has been used with the later style electrics. Obviously these will tow 3.5 ton. Right, so tailgate. And again, it's in great condition, and hopefully you can see from that there's no nasty dents. It has got the Raptor sticker on the back. It's got a mountain roll top, arguably one of the best you can get. Obviously that's lockable and very secure because it's a metal construction. In the back, hopefully you can see from that it's in nice condition. There's no damage, everything looks nice and clean. So easy to say, it's obviously had an easy life. It's like it's been used as a car, not as a pickup truck. On to the driver's side rear quarter. Tail lights in great condition. And again, there's no obvious marks or dents on the rear quarter. Nice condition. Driver's side rear wheel and tyre. The wheel's in great condition again. Matching tyre and matching to the axle tread depth. Fin again, as you can see, is in really nice condition. And there's no obvious damage on it at all. So let's work our way down now the driver's side, and hopefully you can see from that door's open a little bit actually, just shut that. Hopefully you can see from that there's no obvious marks or dents on the driver's side. And it's in really nice clean condition. Let's have a quick look on the roof. And again, the panel's really clean, there's no damage on there. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, the whole truck's really very clean. Onto the driver's side front wing. Let me get my camera right, sorry about this. Right, so driver's side front wing. And again, it's in great condition. So final wheel, driver's side front, wheels in great condition, it's matching tyre, and it's matching tread depth to the opposite axle, so it's basically like new. So yeah, full set of BF Goodrich all round, all in great condition, lots and lots of tread. Onto the interior, just put that down there. So the driver's door card is very clean. Electric windows ×4, your window locks there, door lock, central door lock in there. Driver's seat is fully electric, so you can go forwards, you can go backwards. You can bring the seat up and down, and you can also bring the nose up as well. So lots and lots of manoeuvrability, and of course you can move the backrest forwards and backwards as well. Right, so let me just jump in. Right, so on the interior, let me start it up. Obviously automatic gearbox with 6 speeds. To start up, you do just have to put your foot on the brake and press start. Let's turn that down. Right, so on the steering wheel, to the right hand side here, I'll tell you what, let me just turn that volume down again. To the right hand side, this part of the steering wheel here controls this part of the screen here, and then the lower part is your cruise control, as you can see, and then the left hand side of this here, this part here controls this part of the screen here, and then obviously this part here is your volume, as you can see. And then you've got your voice command, mute button, and then also you can skip, and also you can answer your phone and hang up from there as well. On the actual dashboard yourself, you can see there's no warning lights, that's just the handbrake. Other than that, there's no other warning lights on there at all. Steering wheel itself is in nice clean condition. Dashboard is, again, it's really clean and free from damage. Everything looks spot on actually, to be fair. Cup holders in the centre, everything looks really nice and clean. Passenger seat, do see this a lot in these pickup trucks, to be honest with you. It doesn't really look like the passenger seat's been used very much at all. The bolsters are very firm and the material on the seat is exceptionally clean. Seats in the back, basically following on from the front, everything looks really nice and clean. We'll have a quick look at that in a little bit closer detail in a few minutes time. Right, so onto the media centre. Let's have a quick look at the reversing camera first. As you can see, it's a really nice, decent sized screen and it's very clear. Top right is a picture of the truck. What you can't probably see at the moment is it's got like a fan shape front and rear, so when you get close to something in regards to parking, you know, it will show you that you're getting close to that. So the actual media centre itself, the home screen is your navigation to the left, your radio, if you've got your phone attached, heated seats, and then obviously your menu from there. So map first, let's have a quick look at that. Decent size screen, decent size map, easy to see. What I particularly like about the maps on the Rangers is that it works very similar to your phone, so you can as you know, zoom in, pinch out. The other good thing is as well, I'm sure you've done the same as me, if you've searched for somewhere on a postcode you can't find it, but what you can do is if you search on your phone for somewhere close to it and you know approximately where it is, what you can use is use that that site there. So let's say if we were going up here and I want to go there, you can click on that and then you can click on start and it will just take you to it. So it's quite cool. Click on home. On the settings, lots and lots of different options. Obviously it's the latest style truck, so it's got Wi-Fi, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Play, voice command, and of course ambient lighting. So you can pick a light colour which goes around the whole vehicle to give you like the ambient looking light. Really cool thing. Obviously applications, once your phone's on there as well. You've got your Bluetooth for your phone, so you pay your phone and you can go through this normal stuff like that. Climate control, let's just try the air conditioning on it. Take it down to low, put air conditioning on. Well, I can tell you that that's very cold, very quick. Switch that off. Audio, it's got DAB, CD, Bluetooth, etc. So you can see you've got your Bluetooth audio, your CD, DAB, AM, FM, more than enough for most people. And then obviously you can control it up there on the screen, but you can also control it on here. Don't know why, but it is what it is, I suppose. Your heated seats are there, look, if you see. They do work, by the way, we've checked them all out. Switchable 4-wheel drive, dead easy to use. Parking sensors there, stability control, and then also hill descent. And if you look a bit further down here, you can see you've got your 2 USB sockets as well, so you can plug your phone in, use your Apple CarPlay or whatever. Inside, it smells neutral to me. It doesn't smell like an air freshener or anything, but then again at the same time it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. As an ex-smoker, you always pick up on those things, and there isn't any whiff of it at all. I'd rather tell anyone, to be honest with you, because obviously it doesn't suit some people. Right, so let's have a quick look in the back seats. Again, following on from the front, it's just exceptionally clean. You can see all the door cards are in really nice condition, as are the seats. Again, like I said before about the passenger seat, it doesn't really look to me like the seats in the rear have actually been used. There's no incidental marking on them. Everything looks really nice and clean, and in very good condition. Obviously the seat does lift up, and underneath you've got a couple of cubby holes. You can use there's a cable in there and it just hooks onto there, and then you can tie that back if you want. Seats come forward, and then your tool roll and your jack is under there. There is centre armrest with cup holders in the back. Nice extra. Someone's obviously added that onto it, so you've got a 230 volt plug in the rear, so you can use your phone, charger, whatever you want. I've seen people use them for putting PlayStations in the back and stuff like that. Pop the bonnet. Oh, there are 2 keys. Just forgot. Let's have a quick look at the roof lining. Oh, sorry about that. Let's have a second. Roof lining's clean and it's free from any damage. I say cup holder, spectacle holder there as well. Let's have a quick look under the bonnet. Obviously it's not done many miles, so yeah, it's in great condition. I always like to see them looking like this. You can see we've not cleaned it. I prefer to see it like this, I'm sure you would as well. You can see there's no any historic oil leaks. There's no oil around the turbo unit. All the fluids are really nice and clean and to the correct levels. Even the washer fluid's topped up. So yeah, really nice and clean. It's obviously got full service history, so yeah, nice to be seen. Obviously I prefer to see them looking a little bit dirty, because then you know no one's washed it. So yeah, there's no signs of any historic oil leaks around the engine block. Turbo unit's free from oil, belt's looking great condition, and as I say, all the fluids are clean and to the correct levels. Right, let's have a quick look underneath. And again, you can see that it's nice and tidy underneath, no oil leaks or anything like that. Everything looks nice and dry. Chassis is in good clean condition. Rear diff in clean condition again. No oil leaking around it. Spare wheel, I think, is an alloy. Obviously it's not a matching alloy to the wheels that are on it. And it's got a decent tyre on it. It's obviously legal. Okay, so hopefully I've shown you everything that you would need to see if you were here in person, and probably a little bit more. I know they'll go on a little bit at 17 minutes I think we're on, but I prefer to show you absolutely everything rather than just miss a few bits out. Anyway, if you think I've missed something, or if you want to see something in a bit more detail, please give me a shout. I'm more than happy to do anything that you need. But for the now, thanks for watching. More importantly, stay safe. Bye bye.